The question says we have to match list 1 with list 2. So list 1 contains some formulas and list 2 contains what are these formulas called as. So so over here the one formula that we all know is CaOCl whole twice. This is for the bleaching powder formula, that is A will now go with 3. So we have, by the option elimination method, we have A, B and C option going as further. D option is already eliminated. Then we have CaSO4 dot half H2O. There is water of crystallization over here, and water of crystallization is contained only in the POP, plaster of Paris. So we have CaSO4 dot half H2O going with 4. Now moving on to CaO, we have, so CaOCl2 goes with bleach, CaSO4 dot half H2O goes with POP, CaO. Now this CaO is also cement, so it will go with 2, and CaCO3. This is the antacid formula. So the only option that matches with all of us is option A. So therefore option A is the correct option.